So if something happens to the kid, the whole world goes to hell?
The world will become hell.
Ah. Not far from that now. Listen, who would want to take the kid anyway?
Those who want evil rather than good.
Can you be a little bit more specific?
We do not know who took him.
Well, could you tell me why the people that took him are trying to make him eat blood?
Nothing in this world will hurt him. But if he were to pollute himself with anything impure, he would become vulnerable.
Okay. So if he eats the blood, they could kill him?
Yes.
Oh.
Do you have any other questions?
As a matter of fact, I do. What are you doing this weekend? Because your silhouette is kicking.
对不起，好了，对不起，太没有礼貌。
Plays the maracas too?
This is the chosen one.
Yes.
You people certainly do put on a good show. Where'd you find her at?
She is the librarian of the secret repository at Palcosin. She was flown here to help us. She's over 300 years old.
And how'd she manage that one?
One of her ancestors was raped by a dragon.
Does that happen a lot where you're from? Look, I'm sorry I got a little harsh. Why don't you come up for a while?
No, thank you.
Oh. Oh.
What is it?
The spirits. The spirits. The spirits just told me that you should come up for a little while and have a drink and wait for further instructions. Look, I'm sorry. Well, I'm sorry. Why don't you come up for a while? I'll be good. Okay. I tried. You know, they say you should always give a woman 2 chances to say no just in case.
That's no, twice.
All right. But the spirits are gonna be very upset. You know I am the chosen one. Okay.
You will eat. Get this and the rest of your playthings out of here.
Hey, Bird, did you just see a little Hare Krishna midget in a tree floating? Or is it me? It must be Rod Serling. Yeah.
You the guy on TV looking for Cheryl Mosley?
Yeah.
I know the bastards who grabbed her.
Okay, who is she with?
Have you ever been in Pacoima?
Yeah, who is she with, though?
Behind the freeway, there's a house. It's a pad for some bikers called the Yellow Dragons. She was with them last week, but she ain't there now.
Okay, who is this? Hello? Look, I came prepared in case we had any other eventualities. Listen, you wait here. If there's a problem, you leave. Now, what are you gonna do?
I'll stay here.
No, you stay here now. But if there's a problem, you get behind the wheel, drive away. Understand me? Okay?
Okay.
You got that?
Yes.
Stay, leave. Okay.